So hey guys, and welcome back to Hacky Nuts. In today's video we are going to discuss about a very basic command, and that is ls. So without wasting much time, let's begin.
This is the future.
Now first let me open my terminal. Whenever you open your terminal, it will open in your home directory by default. So this hyphen sign, it stands for home directory, and the slash sign stands for your root directory. So remember this, it will help you in future. So let's start using our commands here. So the ls stands for list. What it can do is that list all the contents which are available in given directory. So now we are in the home directory. Type ls and then hit enter, and it will print all the content which available in your home directory. And the same goes for file manager. Whenever you open your file manager, it will open your home directory. As you can see, it opened my home directory, and as you can see, all the content available here are listed in my terminal screen. Now if you want to see the content which is available in other directory, like if I want to see the content which is in my downloads folder, then I will just have to write the directory name after my ls command. So type ls space, the directory name is downloads, then hit enter. So it will print the content which is available in my downloads folder. Now let's try it again, but this time we will see the content which is inside my snapshot folder. So type ls and then snap store. It will give me an error that there is no file or directory named snapstore. Why this happened? It's because of I am in my home directory, as we discussed before. And in my home directory there is no folder named snapstore. Yes, there is a folder named snap, but there is no folder named snapstore. Now what if I want to see the content which is available in my snapstore folder? So you just have to type the path of that folder after your ls command. So let's see how we can do this. ls space snap slash, the snapstore folder is inside my snap folder. So type snap dash snapstore slash and then hit enter, and it will print all the contents here. Now let me clear the screen, and to clear your screen just type clear and then hit enter. Now I want to see the content which are available in my root folder. So as we discussed before, slash stands for root. So type ls space slash and then hit enter. So it printed all the content which are available in my root folder. So to see these contents, go to other locations and then go to computer. You can see that all the contents which are available here are printed in my terminal. Alright, now if you want to see the content which are available in your one step backward directory, then you just need to type ls space dot dot and then hit enter. And if you want to see the content which are available in your two step backward directory, then type ls space dot dot, and this time type slash and again dot dot. As we are in our home directory, the two step backward directory is our root directory. So it should print all the contents which it printed before for root directory. So let's see what happened. Hit enter, and yes, it printed all the content of root directory. Now let me clear the screen. Now if you want to see the content which are hidden in any directory, you just need to write -a after your ls command. So let's go and open the home folder and let's see which folders are hidden. So now this time it should print all the folders which are visible and also hidden folders. So hit enter, and yes, it printed all the folders which are visible and all the folders which are hidden in our home directory. So that's all about our ls command. Clear the screen. So that's all about today's video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.